Hi, Wagwan, it's Lika J. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Style in Thrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I transform this skirt into a mini ruffled wrap skirt, perfect for the summer and the springtime. The first thing I'm going to do is lay the skirt on a flat surface. Then I'm going to cut the skirt into two, depending on how long or how short I want the skirt to be, keeping in mind that at the bottom of the skirt I will be adding the ruffles. At the front of the skirt I will be cutting a slant line because I want the ruffles to be off to the side instead of straight down. Now to cut the waistbands, I'm going to be using some of the excess material that I have from the skirt. Using one side, I'm going to fold it into half, then iron that down to make it easier for me to sew. Now it's nice and flat and I can go ahead and sew this down. After sewing it down, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it onto the right side using a safety pin. After putting it over to the right side, all I have to do is iron that down, cut it in two, and sew it onto the waist. Now I can just sew that onto both sides of the skirt. Now I'm going to cut out the ruffles about 2 to 3 inches, but if you'd like to make it a more bigger, a more wider ruffle, then you can go ahead and up the inches. Once you've cut it down, then go ahead and hem up both sides of that material. Okay, so to make the ruffles, I'm using a needle. I'm just going to hand stitch one of the ends all the way to the other side. Now I'm going to pin the ruffles down at the bottom of the skirt. This is just a way for me to form the ruffles before I actually go ahead and use a sewing machine to sew it down. Before taking the hand stitch out, sew it down with your sewing machine and then you can take it out afterwards. Love how this came out, and if you do as well, then go ahead and press the thumbs up button and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.